Hello kids, good morning. Do you remember me? I am your Bansri ma'am. Now tell me, yesterday what did we learn in numeracy space? We learned a pre-number concept, full and empty.
Full means no space for anything else. Here you can see this glass is full. Empty means nothing inside. Here this glass is empty.
Today we will revise that concept with some more examples and through an activity. So are you ready to revise that concept?
Here you can see two buckets. This bucket is full of sand and this bucket is empty. Now you can see two boxes. This box is full of toys and this box is empty. Now you can see two trolleys. This trolley is full of fruits and this trolley is empty. Now you can see two baskets. This basket is full of eggs and this basket is empty. Now you can see two glasses. This glass is full of juice and this glass is empty. Now you can see two baskets. This basket is full of apples and this basket is empty. This monkey's basket is full of bananas and this monkey's basket is empty. Here one girl is having basket full of flowers and one girl is having empty basket.
Now let's do an activity. Are you ready to do that?
In this basket, there are some flashcards of full and empty objects. And here we have two tags where I have written full and empty. One by one, we will take out a picture from this basket, then we will observe. If object in this picture is full, we will put that picture below the tag where full is written. You have to see F for full. Okay. If the object in the picture is empty, then we will put it below the empty tag. You have to remember E for empty. Okay. This is the first picture. In this, the basket is full. So we will put it below full. Now let's take out another picture. Oh, again here the box is full. So where we will put below the full. Now let's take out another picture. Here in this the glass is empty. So we will put it below the empty tag. Now let's take out another picture. Oh, again here the box is empty. So where we will put it below empty tag. Now let's take out another picture. In this the tub is full of popcorn. So we will put it below the full tag. Now let's take out another picture. In this the basket is empty. So where we will put it below the empty tag. Now let's take out another picture. In this the glass is full. So we will put it below full tag. Now let's take out another picture. Here this tub is empty. So we will put it below the empty tag. Now one side all the objects are full and one side all the objects are empty.
I hope you understood the concept with this activity. So, I am giving you a worksheet for practice work.
This is the worksheet for your practice work. In this worksheet, you have to circle the items which are full and cross out the items which are empty. Now, let's have a look. Here, which is the first picture? The first picture is of a trolley and trolley is empty. So what we will do? We will cross it. Now next picture. The next picture is of a box and box is full. So we will circle it. Now next picture, it's of an ice cream cone and ice cream cone is empty. So we will cross it. Next is a basket and basket is empty. So we will cross it. Now next picture, it's of a basket, but here this basket is full. So we will circle it. Next picture is of a box. Box is empty, so we will cross it. Now next picture is of a trolley. This trolley is full, so we will circle it. Now try to do this worksheet by yourself.
Tomorrow I will give you the solution of this worksheet. Okay? Bye bye. Have a great day.